Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Vanguard. First, log into your Vanguard account online. Navigate to your portfolio overview to see your current asset allocation. This initial step helps you understand where your investments stand right now. We will then explore straightforward methods to realign your holdings, ensuring your portfolio remains on track with your financial objectives. It's about making smart, simple adjustments for long-term success. Now, let's assess your current asset allocation. Look at the percentage breakdown of stocks, bonds, and other assets within your Vanguard portfolio. Compare these actual percentages against your ideal target allocation, which you established based on your risk tolerance and goals. For instance, if you aimed for 60% stocks and 40% bonds, see if your portfolio reflects that. Identifying any drift is crucial for the next steps. One of the easiest ways to fix your Vanguard is through rebalancing. Instead of selling, you can often rebalance by simply directing new contributions towards underperforming asset classes. For example, if bonds are now 45% of your portfolio instead of 40%, direct your next contributions to stocks. Alternatively, you can sell a small percentage of overperforming assets and use those funds to buy underperforming ones, bringing your portfolio back to your target allocation. Maintaining your Vanguard portfolio is an ongoing process. Aim to review your asset allocation at least once every 12 months or whenever significant life events occur, like a new job or retirement. This ensures your investments continue to align with your evolving financial situation. Remember, consistency and discipline are key. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. A well-maintained portfolio supports your long-term financial health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.